G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today I'm joined by
Russ
and Christy.
And what are we making, Russ?
Today we're making a blue harvest.
Something dark side.
This recipe calls for blue Curacao,
Malibu
Pinapale juice.
and lemon and lime soft drink.
into a shaker, add ice, and then add 60 mils of blue Curacao,
30 mils coconut rum.
And 30 mils Pinapale juice.
And shake.
top up with your lemon and lime. What do you reckon we should garnish these with, mate?
I reckon these little baby sabres in recognition of Star Wars Day, May the 4th. I'm Russ from the F&Cs.
And I'm Christy. You can follow my page on Facebook. It's called Little Elemental.
Cheers.
Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.